Welcome to my channel. Today, we are going to create something completely new, 100% free AI videos. Please believe me. According to YouTube's new policy, your channel can only be monetized if the content is original. If you simply copy and paste or re-upload AI videos multiple times, your channel will not get monetized. Even if you download and upload someone else's video, your channel not monetized. But if your work is 100% original, then it will be monetized. That's why today I'll show you how we can create free AI videos, completely free. Watch the full video because every part is important. If you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and like the video. I keep bringing you new methods regularly. Let's get started. First, open ChatGPT and paste the prompt. Don't worry, I'll give you this prompt in your YouTube description. You just have to paste it and your story will start generating automatically. Once the story is generated, then you need to write this. Keep Tiny, the insectoid, in every scene and make sure Tiny's color remains the same in every image. Now give me 8 image prompts. And in this way, it will generate the exact and best image prompt for you. An amazing and powerful prompt. Remember, every part of the video is very important. We're going to create something new. Once the prompts appear, make sure to save them in any file on your PC after downloading. To create images, we'll be using Leonardo.ai. It's a great tool for generating high-quality images. First, click on Get Started. After that, click on Image. Set the size to 16:9 and then click on Model and select Phoenix 1.0. This is the best option for image generation. Next, copy the prompt from ChatGPT and paste it here, step by step, to start creating your images. You'll be able to see the process as it happens. Just remember one thing. Save each prompt you paste into a separate file. This will help later when you're creating the video. I personally download each image and save it right away. I copy the prompt from ChatGPT and paste it step by step into Leonardo.ai. Just follow along with the process. Leonardo.ai is a top AI platform for generating stunning, high-quality images quickly and easily. Using advanced models like Phoenix and Lightning XL, it produces realistic, detailed, and artistic visuals. Its user-friendly interface, powerful tools for upscaling, background removal, and motion effects make it perfect for artists, designers, and creatives seeking professional, unique, and visually striking results every time. Now the image has been generated, but the problem is that Leonardo.ai only gives 150 free credits, and I've already used them up after creating just 6 images. So what's next? Now we'll use Pixelmator, which is also a great website where you can set the size to 16:9 again. I'll continue copying the remaining prompts from ChatGPT and pasting them here. As you can see, it will keep generating images for us. This way, I'll paste all my prompts, upload my images, and all my visuals will be ready. After that, you need to organize your images. Rename the first image as 01 or just 1. At the same time, make sure the saved prompt has the same number. For example, if you downloaded the first image, name it 1 and also name the corresponding prompt file as 1DA. This way, everything stays in order. For the next step, creating audio, we'll use 2 websites. The first one is called 11 Labs, which allows you to generate voiceovers, but it only offers limited free credits. The second website is TTS OpenAI, which is a great option. Here, you need to select the voice named Tom.
Text-to-speech.
Then, take the story you got from ChatGPT, copy a small part of the prompt just for testing, and paste it into the input box. Click on Create Speech, and your AI-generated voice will be ready. You can also listen to it. It sounds really impressive.
Blistered dawn side of Mercury, where shadows slice the land like obsidian mountain.
Next, to create AI videos, we'll use 2 different websites. The first website is called Diggin.ai, and it's an amazing platform. It gives you 300 free credits, which you can use to create up to 10 videos. After that, it continues to give you daily credits so you can keep making AI videos easily. Right now, as you can see, I have over 600 credits because I've been logging into this account regularly for several days. That's why I'm able to create a lot of videos on this platform. If you want to create more AI videos, Degen.ai is a great option. The best part is that even if you don't use it every day, it still gives you free daily credits automatically, just like it did with my account. Now we'll create an AI video using Degen.ai. It's a really great website. First, click on Create, then go to Upload and upload your first image. After that, take the prompt that matches the first image and paste it in. Click on Generate and the video will start creating. Then do the same for the second image. Upload it, paste the matching prompt and start the generation. It may take a little time depending on your internet speed, but usually within 10 to 15 minutes, your video will start processing. The next website is Hyluai.video, another excellent platform. Its new policy gives you 200 free credits daily, as you can see. The best part is that it now only costs 25 credits to create one AI video. Previously, it used to cost 30 credits, so you could only make 3 videos per day. But now, with this new system, you can create up to 10 videos daily using the 200 free credits. Click on Video, then upload your image. After that, paste your prompt and click on the 25 credits option. Your video will start generating. Then upload another image, paste its prompt, and the next video will begin. As you can see, I've created AI videos for free on both websites. By using these two platforms, you can easily create high-quality AI videos, completely free, and the results are truly amazing. For the final step, I'll use CapCut to edit the video. CapCut is a very good software for editing videos. It's easy to use, free, and packed with features like filters, effects, music, and transitions. It's perfect for both beginners and professionals. I'll add my video here, apply some effects, and now my video is ready, as you can see. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions related to this video, feel free to drop a message or comment. I'll reply to everyone. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video. Next time, I'll bring you another awesome method. Thanks again for watching.